Okay, we're going to be giving you a tutorial of Nano Banana. This is Google Gemini's latest image editing AI powered program, and it's September 2025, so things will change depending on when you see this. And you can see here I'm at gemini.google.com. Now you see there at the top they've got the try image editing with our best image model, Nano Banana. And you can see here with this icon. So you can either prompt an image, create a, let's just see, a futuristic Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, year 3000. So let's just try this. This is a prompt. And then what I'm going to do is use existing images and show you some ideas that showcase the power of this image model. So you can see here it generated this image. It's got some spaceships, and we can download the full size of this image. So it's got a watermark at the bottom right, so people clearly know that this is generated by Gemini. Okay, so let's just say we want to use an existing image. I would click the plus. Actually, let's just go back. Okay, this is more of an image editing now. So we're going to upload an image. So we're going to click plus, upload files. Now I've got a Nano Banana area here. So this is blurry image screenshot from Superman. Can you sharpen this image up drastically and use natural colors? So this is just a basic example of, and you could do for any image. There we go. So here's the first one, and there's the AI edited image, and it did exactly what I wanted. So the cool thing about this, once you have the image, you can actually create a video from it. I'll just show you. You can click plus or click tools, create videos with VO, and then what you could do, because you need to start a new chat, add that photo, and then you can actually animate it. But I've used up all my videos for today, so that's out of scope. But I just want to point it out to you, once you've created this image using Nano Banana, you can actually create a video from it. Okay, let's use another example. Okay, so we've got this car here. Okay, so add a pretty blonde gal driving car in the car. Change the angle so it's facing the car, but you can still see those buildings. Okay, so I'm going to add a girl, and we're going to change the angle. There we go. Now she's driving. Actually, it didn't help me. It made me less handsome. Make the guy a lot more handsome. Just giving you ideas. Just giving you ideas. See what we got. All right, so let's look at the original. I think that actually did a really good job, because this building over here, you can't really see it, but it manages to just make up the difference. Okay, let's do one more example here. I want to illustrate the character consistency. So let's put these two people on a pickleball court in the appropriate clothing near the beach. So this is what we call character consistency. So it's taking the same two people but put them in a different scene. So yeah, more or less. Zoom in a bit, because that's a bit of a wide angle shot. Okay, and then we could zoom close just to the lady. So you're basically prompt editing here, using prompts to edit the image. There we go. Good response. Okay, so yeah, that's an example of Nano Banana using Google Gemini image editing.